Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In the third part of this little series, we want to see if we can go through the streams backwards. So you notice in the first part, we turned them into takes. In the second part, we stepped through them forward one at a time. Now let's see what it will take to go through them backwards one at a time. This may not necessarily be the most efficient way, but this is an easy way to just go through all the streams and step through them backwards one at a time. Once again, I'm not going to go through all the code. We're just going to look through the main part. So after our main, my Vegas equals Vegas, and then we're going to go for each track in my Vegas.project.tracks for each event in my track.events if the event is selected. And then a lot of this is very similar to the previous one. We're going to get the media type from the ActiveTake.MediaStream.MediaType. We're going to make sure we only look at media of the same type. Then we're going to get the initial take, the active take, and put that in my take. Then we're going to get the current stream from my take.mediastream.index. Now, once again, I'm creating two media stream variables. One of them I'm calling the last media stream, which I want to get it if it's the last one. So basically, as I go through the media streams, every one is the last one until I get to the last one, and then it is the last one. And then I'm going to look at the previous media stream and set that equal to null. For each media stream, ms in my take.media.streams, for every one of these, if the type is the type I'm looking for, well, this one's my last one now. So last media stream equals ms. Now, if ms.index is less than the current stream and ms.mediatype is the media type, then the previous ms equals that one. So let's say that my current stream is number 3. If it looks at stream 1, that is less, so it's going to set it to it. Looks at stream 2, that is less, so it's going to set it to it. Stream 3, that is not less, so it ends up being on stream 2. So even though it went through all the other streams, it's going to get the last one before the current one. Now, if we were on the first one, there is no current stream that is for the current stream. There is no stream before the current stream. So down here, if my previous stream is null, then I'm going to set my previous stream equal to last stream. So if I'm already on the very first stream, it's going to move me to the last stream. So once again, now I'm going to take a take. New take is new take, and I'm going to get that from the previous stream. Then I'm going to add this as a new take to the event, and then I'm going to remove my take. So we've added the new take, removed the original take, and now we're on the previous stream. Let's see how it works. So here's our same image. If we go to stream, you'll see we're on stream 1 right now. So when we run the script and we look, we are now on stream number 4. So we went backward from 1 to 4. Run it again. And we went from stream 4 to stream 3. Run it again. Now we went from stream 3 to stream 2. And let's run it one more time. And you will see that we are now back from stream 2 to stream 1. So if you put these two scripts on buttons on the toolbar, then you can easily switch to the next stream or previous stream and pop back and forth between them however often you need to do so. And so I hope you find this tutorial useful. Like, subscribe, let me know what you'd like to see in the future, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Please sign up at www.JETDV.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.